This is question 3, parts 3, 4 and 6 from exercise 2.5 in Text and Test 4 New Edition. We've defined the quadratic equations that have the following pairs of roots, r1 and r2. And in order to do this, we're going to look at the formula that's above here in yellow, where when we're given r1 and r2 as the roots of an equation, then the equation is x squared minus x times r1 plus r2, which is known as the sum of the roots, plus r1, r2, which is the product of the roots. So let's apply that formula down here and see what we get. So in part 3, we're going to have x squared minus x times minus 5 minus 1 plus minus 5 times minus 1, and that's equal to 0. So we're going to get x squared minus x times minus 6 plus 5 equals 0. So we're going to get x squared plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. And that's our quadratic equation from part 3. Now let's see how this looks in part 4. So in part 4, we're going to have x squared minus x times the sum of the roots, which is going to be 4 plus root 5, times the product of the roots, or plus the product of the roots, so plus root 5 times 4, and that's equal to 0. So what we're going to get in the end is x squared minus 4 plus root 5 x plus 4 root 5 is equal to 0. And we can leave it like that in third form. And now for part 6, we got fractions, but we're still going to be following the exact same procedure. So it's going to be x squared minus x times 2/5 plus 3/5 plus 2/5 times 3/5 is equal to 0. And when we work that out, we're going to get x squared minus x times 1 plus 6 over 25 is equal to 0. And we multiply out the bit in the middle, we're just going to get x squared minus x plus 6/25 is equal to 0. Now typically we prefer to have whole numbers all the way along if we can. So in order to do that, we're going to multiply everything by this 25 here, which will clear out the fraction. So we get 25x squared minus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. And that is that.